Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another class. Today, we're going to be doing the graffiti wall. It's going to be a little bit different from what we're used to in a classroom. So I'm going to show you how we're going to get this done online. Let me share with you my Padlet page. So this is going to be our Padlet page for the graffiti wall. As you can see, I wonder what is something different or what is something that you've noticed that is the same as the graffiti wall that we do in the classroom. Yeah, the color codes, yes, that is the same. What else is the same? The number of questions, okay? So you've seen 5 different questions on the wall. Okay, and what is something that's different? What is something that you notice that's different? Yes, we're doing it online. And we're not using a pencil, right? We're gonna be typing. That's right, that's something that is different, but we can get this done. As you've seen, we have 5 different questions and they're all color coded. So that means that we're gonna have 5 different groups. We're all going to have different colors. As you can see, the number 1, that's symbolizing the breakout rooms. Okay, so the breakout rooms are gonna have numbers, and so it's gonna be based on the questions that you're going to start with at the beginning. So with your team, whoever gets the breakout room number 1, you're going to be team yellow. So as you can see, team yellow. And then the breakout room number 2 is going to be green. And then if you're in breakout room number 3, you're going to start with the question number 3, and you're in the blue team. And then for the breakout room number 4, you're going to be purple. You're going to be in the purple group. And then the last but not least, number 5. So then you're going to be in the pink group. So let me show you an example. So if you're going to be in team yellow, you get the breakout room number 1. You're going to be clicking here in the plus sign. Once you click it, under title, if you can write down the color of your team. So in this case, it's yellow. So you'll be typing yellow. So that way we all know what team answered what question. And so in this case, you can also see my name right here. So once you're in your group, you're going to be choosing who's gonna be the typer, who's gonna be the one doing the typing. You can all take turns, or you can just decide on one person doing it, all right? Once you've discussed with your group. So in this case, you can see my name because that's who is typing. So it's myself. I'm doing this example for you. So on the title, you're gonna write down the color of your team. In this case, it's yellow. And then it says right here, write something. So I'm gonna be answering question number 1 with my team. After discussing with my team, we came up with an answer. So I'm gonna be typing engineers use pencils. Punctuation. And then we're going to be, what's the next step? Do you remember? What comes next? Yes, so it'll be another sentence frame, but it'll be different. So that way the next group that's coming, they're going to be answering that one. So for example, in this case, we're gonna do counterclockwise. So it's going to be the green team who's gonna be going and doing number 1. So we're gonna go like this, counterclockwise. So whoever is green is gonna go answer. After answering the green, right here, question number 2, they're gonna jump in and do the question number 1. And then whoever's in the number 1 is gonna go and do number 5, okay? So we're gonna do counterclockwise. So after discussing with my team, we're gonna be going with this sentence frame. Engineers wear. So that way the green team can answer that. And they're gonna click out here. All right. And then I can just click on the space right here. So that way you can see it, that's there, it's publish. All right, so I'm gonna give you 10 minutes, about 10 minutes to do all of these questions with your group. I'm gonna pop in your breakout rooms just so that I can serve as a guide. If you have any questions, I'll be there. Or, just to check in on how you're doing with your group. In each group, there'll be about 2 to 3 people. So please work together and see who's gonna be doing the typing and who's gonna be doing the talking. So all of you are going to be talking amongst each other, okay? And decide on what you wanna type. If you have any questions, I'm here to answer your questions, all right? So we're gonna do 10 minutes and I'll be popping in and out of your breakout rooms. Okay, are you ready? Yes, let's go.